exposing the missile tech race in the Middle East, where speed, brains, and defense collide. Iran and Israel are locked in a battle not just of nations but of next-level innovation. Let's start with Iran's headline grabber, the Fatah-1 hypersonic missile. This thing flies at Mach 15, that's over 5,100 kilometers an hour. To put it simply, it could cross the distance from New York to Chicago in just over 20 minutes. Insane, right? But speed isn't the only danger here. The Fatah-1 can twist and turn mid-flight, dodging most radar and missile defense systems. That means even if you spot it coming, actually stopping it, that's another challenge. Now, what about Israel's defenses? The famous Iron Dome nails short-range rockets, keeping cities safe from a rain of projectiles. But for threats from above and beyond, Israel has Arrow 3, designed to intercept ballistic missiles literally in outer space. Here's the big question. Can these defense systems handle a missile zipping by at 5 kilometers per second and capable of sudden turns? Experts say it's not guaranteed. Technology is racing ahead, and right now defense might not be keeping up. Missiles are evolving faster than defense shields. Does Israel or anyone really stand a chance against hypersonic threats? Hit follow for more breakdowns on the tech shaping our world.